fired on cylinder 5. It's an inline 5, 3.7 GM motor. And we're going to replace the head. Now, to get the head off and do the timing, you have to remove the transmission. To remove the transmission, you have to remove the oil pan. To remove the oil pan, you have to remove the front four-wheel drive axle and the rack and pinion.